Samubamba. Euphonic sewashintsha igama kanti seyibiza ngoThemba manje. After everything ayenzile kubantu besifazane seyibiza ngoThemba manje. He's working around the system ukubuya. Asayena uEuphonic sewuThemba manje. Nawe Black Coffee. Abantu besifazane subabukela phansi kanje. Black Coffee yini lento yenzayo?
They fear you because you are young. They fear you because you are the future.
It all simple. I say what I like. Steve Biko wrote what he like. I am Skrill Como. I will say whatever I like. So let me tell you what happened. Today on Twitter, DJ Black Coffee posted a poster that stipulates that on Sunday, on the 14th of March, he'll be hosting a birthday celebration party. And among artists who are booked to perform in that celebration is Themba. Now, who is Themba? Themba is the original name of Euphonic. Let me take a deep breath. Euphonic. His real name is Themba. Who is this Themba or Euphonic? Many knows. He's a DJ. He's also a radio personality. He used to be a radio personality. If you think of any well-known celebrity, should I say, who is an abuser, the first name that you think of, it's Euphonic. The second one, which is recent, is DJ Fresh. The other one is Tola Simone. These are people who are known to be abusers, who have been alleged that they have raped women. DJ Black Coffee have disappointed many of South African, more especially women, who are victims of these perpetrators. Today, they are even trying to find ways to go around the system. They're changing their brain from Euphonic to Themba. They think black people, women in particular, won't notice that this is Euphonic. As a Grootman, as a legend, a living legend, Black Coffee have disappointed many. I think that South Africa has so many people who are talented, who could have performed maybe better than DJ Euphonic. But you decided to take him. You really disappointed many. So, don't get me wrong, we are all equal before the law. We all should enjoy the benefits of this law. We are innocent until proven otherwise or guilty. But these people have been in the public domain. Victims have come to the fore, complaining about these people, reporting these people. But today, they are sitting in a dinner table, whereas the victims are in there going through a lot. Is it fair to women of this country? Is it fair, DJ Black Coffee, what you have done to the women of this country? People are trying to go around the system. They're changing their brand name. They rape a woman today as Euphonic, and the following day they change their name to Themba. I'm not saying he did that. Allegedly, he did that. He beat women around. And the next day, he changed just the name, so that he can go around the system and come back to the system and sit in a dinner table. Is it really fair to women of this country who are going through a lot, who are being killed by men of this country, who are being raped, beaten up by men of this country. Is it fair to these women? What picture should they have in mind about you, DJ Black Coffee? As a living legend, you should have done better. If there is another way, absolutely there is another way that we could have assisted the brother out. Maybe he's going through a lot, he needs money, he's no longer on radio, he doesn't have gigs. Surely there is another way that we could have assisted the brother out, but not this way. Not this way. Not this way. You have disappointed women of this country, South Africa. And some of them, they said this name, he changed it in 2018. Yeah, there was a retweet that says he did change his name from Euphonic to Themba in 2018. This is not new. We don't know about that. I don't know about that. Personally, how true is it? I don't know. All I know is that what DJ Black Coffee, what DJ Black Coffee done, it cannot be justified. He is wrong. He is wrong. And he must come to the fore as a man and man up and apologize to these women. Thank you so much. Libito la kalina si Kukoma. My name is Kukoma. God bless you all.